In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix we couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face. First thing you want to do, go to Services. And here you want to find Windows Biometrics. So press anywhere and then press W. This will help you find it faster. So it should be called Windows Biometric Service. Double click on it. Make sure to click stop. So if it's started, click stop, and then here you wanna, before you do anything here, so once you click stop, now you wanna go to your C drive. So if you go here to this PC and go to C drive, here go to Windows, and down here go to System 32. And down here go to Win Bio Database. So press anywhere and press W to find it faster. This is Win Bio Database. So just click here, right click and delete this folder. So once you delete this folder, you want to go back here and select automatic and then click apply and OK. Then click start and then click apply and OK. Then you can close this down. Now the next thing you want to do is just close this down, and here go to the search and type optional features, and then go here. So go to view or edit optional features. Click yes. Here you should be able to see facial recognition Windows Hello. If you see it, then you're good. If you don't see it, then you need to add it. So here you will have to just added features, so you have to search for it, like just type the name, like just Windows Hello, and you're gonna see it, and you will see a install button. So you will have to just manually install it. Click install and install it. So to add the feature, just again to make sure you understood this, you would basically click view features, click yes, and then click see available features. Here you will be able to search for the feature, and it's called Windows Hello Face. So just type Windows Hello and you should be able to see it, and click add or install. And once you add it, you will be able to see it amongst the added features. And after that, you can close this down and try restarting your computer, and your issue is fixed.